didn't think you were gonna make it today. I thought you were all talk.
8:57, baby. It's at 9 o'clock.
Let's go. Get primed up. The freaking ramp blended in with the sun. I couldn't see it. You get there, dog.
Some bussin' ass tacos.
Yeah, good.
About to salsa them up.
Getting primed up for the track.
Oh yeah, I'm riding like this.
What? Okay, what happened?
You know, forgot all my gear at home.
You washed all your gear and left it at home.
Hell yeah.
You're riding
it's
like
clean,
this.
Though. It's clean though.
It looks so gangster.
Lucky for you, I brought an extra pair of pants, bro.
I don't even want them, dude. I might just go like this, dude.
So sick.
See if I can make this go through this whole moto without in my pants. We out here though. Back to back days we were riding track. I'm sore. Let's do it.
Barking. Daddy can't ride.
Hopping in?
Hopping in. Nuts to Butts, Volume 8.
Pop a wheelie. We out here. You ain't down. I forgot you have those graphics.
Oh, you kicked me in the nuts.
Did I get out camera?
Dick, yeah. Hopping in.
Hopping in. Did you see that?
Yeah.
What the f? That was sketchy.
See if you can do his first real wheelie. Yeah. Nope. Nope.
A little bit better. Oh, what a good day, huh? Devin went down. It's always the pit bugs that'll get you.
Glamis boys.
Yeah, well, thanks to me, Devin has pants today. He left his gear at home. Luckily, I brought an extra one. Dude, when I was cleaning out my room, or my closet, this shirt goes with those pants. Look, I didn't know I had this.
Paris Raceway. Ain't no Glamis, but it'll do. God damn. What's those?
Single ladies near me, hit me up. I wanted to see how bad it smelled.
Oh my god.
And it smells like Glamis. You want to smell the other one?
God damn. 12 beers last night.
Getting ripped tonight.
And it smelled F-18. Okay?
Oh, that's terrible. Just my knees are dark. Oh, shoot.
That was not supposed to be that hard.
What the? That's what she said. What's up, girl? Like, comment, subscribe.
Go, 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 go! What are you doing? Hit the gas!
Move it over a little bit.
Take my ramp.
Nah, he can do it on this one.
This is sketch. Oh, I boned him. That was the best wheelie I popped all day right there.
Biggest wheelie of your life. Woo! Maybe next time.
Take two.
Take two.
Oh,
This thing got no power, dude.
too much truck for you, bro.
No power.
Where to eat, where to eat. Devin's licking his lips right now. Back it up, Terry.
I don't own one. I have herpes.
Jeez. We earned these beers.
Hello. Oh, sketchy.
Take two.
Take three.
All right.
Take two.
You won't squirt it in your mouth. Do it.
I'm down, dude.
Oh my god.
I'll throw up.
Look at this. What was that?
Bussin'.
Bussin'? Is it bussin'? Nice.
One shot.
You missed all the good stuff.
Drink that thing.
I'm packing, bro. Beer down. Yeah. Alright, like, comment, and subscribe so we can get to this level. Oh, what are you doing back there? You jumped over the bag? What the hell? How you gonna get out, stupid? Alright, here's Lane, the graphic designer.
Yeah, right.
Snake.
Dude,
I'm gonna show you guys this real quick, but it's a sneak peek of what's happening in the works. T-shirts coming soon, bro.
First one.
The first drop coming soon. We out here, baby.